MzeroA Nation, welcome back. It's day 15 of the 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge, and let me ask you, are you in control of your autopilot or is it in control of you? The FAA defines Autopilot as a flight deck automation tool, not a pilot replacement. However, time and time again, accidents prove how quickly misuse or over-reliance can lead to trouble. Take the citation accident in Erie. The NTSB found the crew didn't fully understand what was the autopilot doing, and it ended in a tragedy. Or Asiana 214 in San Francisco, where confusion over the autopilot's mode led to a crash on short final. These are reminders that autopilots should reduce workload, not create more confusion. You need to know what modes are available: heading, navigation, altitude, vertical speed, and approach, and exactly how each one engages and disengages. Think of Autopilot as a helper, not a crutch. It's perfect for long legs, IMC, or heavy workload moments, but don't use it to fix poor hand flying. And don't turn it on when you're already confused. The FAA warns pilots that too much autopilot time degrades your stick and rudder skills. So, hand fly those approaches. Practice misapproach without automation. A truly safe pilot is just as confident with the autopilot off as with it on. Your job isn't over once you press the button. The autopilot mode should match your desired outcome, and always ask yourself, what is your autopilot doing right now? If it's not doing what you want, disconnect and hand fly. Use it to reduce workload, never decision making. The best autopilot users are the ones who don't need it, but choose it wisely and at appropriate times. So MzeroA Nation, are you mastering your autopilot before it masters you? We're halfway through the 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge. Are you 15 for 15? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, a good pilot is always learning.
Hey aviators, before you take off, don't forget you can try MzeroA Online Ground School completely free for 2 weeks. Jump in, explore the lessons, watch the videos, and take that virtual discovery flight and see exactly how our understanding-based teaching helps you master aviation, not just memorize it. And when you're ready to keep going, we've got options. Choose an individual course like private, instrument, commercial, or CFI FOI. Perfect if you're laser focused on your next certificate or rating. Or take things further with one of our curated Pilot Success memberships. Gold and Bronze gives you unlimited access to all of our manned courses, webinars, and bonus content designed to help you grow from a student to safe, confident pilot. Don't forget, we also now offer a membership tier specifically designed for those pilots who just want to stay up to date and have tools at their fingertips. Perks Pass. There's no courses, but still all things knowledge. So start your free 2-week trial today at mzeroa.com/trial and discover why thousands of pilots trust MzeroA to make aviation learning simple, effective, and fun. Because remember, a good pilot is always learning.